Okay, now we're going to take a look at the battery system used to store the power produced on a daily basis. So we have power available as needed, especially on cloudy days or times where we're using more power than the actual sources can produce. So what we have here is 24 2-volt cells producing a 48-volt DC system here. Each cell or each battery here, as I said, was 2 volts, stores 450 amp hours of electricity. Fairly large system, although could easily be larger. Primarily it would be larger if there was just a PV system here where you have many days potentially of no sunshine and you need to store lots of power. Since this system has a micro hydro system producing power 24/7, small amounts of power 24/7, we can get by with a smaller battery bank because we're constantly adding power to these batteries. These batteries are lead acid batteries. They require some amount of maintenance. Monthly to every 2 months you've got to add water to them, distilled water, to make sure that the water level stays up. Very easy to destroy lead acid batteries if you don't keep the water level up. In this particular case here, we've got an automatic battery watering system of plastic tubes that are all connected to a water source, so we can very quickly add distilled water. It takes about 5 minutes to add the distilled water, and you're good to go for at least another month. The water in the batteries dissipates as hydrogen gas as you're charging the batteries up, especially as they get towards full charge. You tend to dissipate a lot of the water into hydrogen gas and oxygen, which is primarily why the batteries need to be in a fairly airtight battery box. As you can see, that's been constructed here. There's also a fan here to exit those gases out of the house because hydrogen gas can be very explosive.